So what happens is you create your characters last week, and now the story behind your characters is that they came from a different planet, okay? So you can have them come from whatever planet you want them to come from, but the important thing is that they're here now. They've come here to share the experience of healthy eating with you guys. So they're going to tell you all about healthy nutrition. But in order for them to get there, they had to use up all their energy to get here. So now they're weak and they have no energy. So now it's our job, or your job, to give them back the energy that they used to get here. So we're going to give back your characters, and we're going to show you the different types of energy that your character will get and how they can protect themselves with these new super vital powers. Yeah.
Alright, I got a question for everybody.
Here's Matt.
Can anyone tell me how we get energy? Raise your hand. Oh, yeah, sorry, hand first. Yeah.
If you eat more healthy and exercise.
That's good. Anyone else? You? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's your name? Luce. Before you give an answer, please say your name so it'll help us remember it. So go ahead, Luce.
And vegetables help us make us strong and make us very stronger.
Very good.
Do you have an example of a vegetable that you know will make you stronger?
Can you see that one?
If not, it's okay. I'm just curious. Well, if you don't worry. You're gonna learn about some today.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll take two more. Yes. That's a good one.
Pears?
Yeah.
Oh, I love pears.
Kismet. Water's important too. Yeah.
You have to drink water.
Yeah.
Let's stay hydrated.
One more. You want to have one more? Yes.
You could take a nap and you get energy.
Sleep is also very important. Yes. Exactly. So, in order to give your superheroes back the power and energy that they used to get here to teach you guys, you're going to have to essentially feed your character.
Feed them.
Feed them.
They have to eat.
They have to eat. They have to be alive. They have to drink water. They have to sleep. They have to rest. They have to live as well. So we prepared. We prepared a series of fruits and vegetables that you can feed your characters. And we're going to have different stations to show which types of phytonutrients, as they're called, which are found in fruits and vegetables, which are basically tiny little organisms that give you energy and do have specific power that they give you while you eat them. So we're going to explain those to you and have you sort of empower your characters with those.
The way we're going to describe the fruit is by color. And it's the certain colors that have their own powers, the nutrients of the colors. And so we're going to teach you what each color means. And then we're going to have the fruit of a certain color for you to taste and to feed your superhero. So we'll start with some blue or purple fruits. So on here we have a red onion, some grapes, blueberries, and eggplant. Has anyone had any of these fruits before, fruits and vegetables? Yeah? All right, great. So they're very healthy. The blue and purple fruits are for your brain. All right, so it's like giving your superhero a thinking cap, or giving it a bigger brain. That's what these fruits and vegetables help you with, and it's very important for learning, for any kind of movement. Your brain is one of the most important organs in your body. Next, we'll go to green. Green is a very popular color for fruit. Here we have, as you mentioned, pears, spinach, and celery. And green helps the immune system. Does anyone know what the immune system is? Yes?
It's inside your belly?
It's inside your body. It's pretty close. And the immune system it's almost like a protective shield. It helps fight colds and sicknesses. It's getting pretty cold out. If you didn't have a healthy immune system, you'd be getting sick all the time. So it's really important for you and your superheroes to eat some green fruits and vegetables. Now we're moving on to red, another very popular color for fruits, apples, strawberries, and then tomatoes, red peppers.
Yeah, apples are some of the fruits that help with the mystery part, as we called it, but helps keep your heart healthy. So essentially red, if you want to think of it, red is sort of like the color of your blood, and your heart is what pumps the blood all throughout your body and gives you all the energy through your entire body. So if you eat red fruits, you keep your heart healthy, then your entire body will have the energy that it needs to survive on. Yeah. That's why like the blue helps the brain too, but the red is good for the heart. Keep the heart healthy. Continue.
Can you guess what this orange fruits and vegetable was? Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Mangoes. Like those fruits, if we eat those fruits, it will brighten your vision.
Yeah, helps give you good vision and then protects your vision for when you're older. You'll be able to, you won't go blind.
No glasses.
Yeah. That's right. A shield it represents kind of your skin. The yellow is really good for your skin to protect against damage from the sun. It does the same for the yellow fruits. It builds up their the proteins and it helps your own skin protect from the outside. So yellow is also a very important color of fruits, and they're delicious fruits. Bananas, lemons. Yeah. You hate lemons? They're sour. You guys all have your superheroes, right?
No.
All right. So we're gonna do a little drawing, eating, and coloring activity, so you can give the superhero your power. Just passing it down.
Yeah. So we're passing around the phytopowers that you just learned about, and we're going to have them at different tables. And while you're at the table, you're going to be able to taste the phytopower that you'll be giving your superhero, but also you're going to be able to color your superhero that power to represent. You're going to be able to color that superhero that color to represent the power that you just ingested and essentially gave to your superhero. So for right now, okay, thank you. For right now, don't touch them until they're all passed around and until we tell you to. But continue to listen to Mr. Dan and Miss Anna as they teach you more about phytonutrients, colors, and
Yeah. We have some more art supplies. We have colored pencils and paper and glue sticks. So while eating a certain color of the fruit, so let's say we're working with blue, we have blueberries that you can eat, and blue colored pencils and blue paper to kind of give your superhero the powers that blue gives. Does anyone remember what blue and purple, the powers they give you? Yes? Power for your brain, exactly. So you could draw some sort of hat, or you could give your superhero a blue or purple brain if you want. It's just that kind of thing. So and each time you get a new fruit, a different color, you're gonna give it what that represents. So when we get to green, you can give it some sort of protective power, and just color it in with the colored pencils and the paper that we give you. So we're gonna pass that around.
Be the best for this table. That's pineapple, yeah.
Letters.
But is it green? It's not green.
What
Yeah.
is that?
It's
What is that?
it's yeah, spinach. I think, right? Spinach, yeah, spinach. So you guys each will get one piece of, or a couple pieces of spinach. Yep. Nice.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it.
I like it.
No? All right. Well, we know what one is. You could try another one. The next color you'll call what?
That's good. I hope we get
Yeah, absolutely.
shield to protect ourselves from skin, bones, and teeth.
Nice. This is the...
You can get a strawberry.
Oh. That's alright.
In Florida, I call it. Well, you can get sick.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like protecting your brain, alright? Alright. So you guys each get a piece of spinach. Or salad, whatever. Yeah?
Lettuce.
Nice.
Oh, we got camera.
You can get a couple pieces if you want a couple.
I want a couple
Nice.
Oh! Jeez.